Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jabs. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to merge PDF files using the full version of Cam Scanner, and I'll show you how to get this at the end of the video. So watch this video to the very end for every detail, because there are certain things, if you don't get them right, you might not merge your PDFs. So what you do is you open the file, and I'll show you how to install it later on. When you open it, you first import your files by going to the place where they are located. So mine, for instance, are located on my documents. So you can select them and import. But already I have my files. I have the files I want to merge already here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you do is this: you select each of them, the 4 of them, and you click on more, merge. So when it comes to merging, you can decide to manually sort them, so how the pages should appear. So if you've named your pages already, it gives you a better view of how they should appear. When you go to done, they give you an option whether to keep the old documents or not. And if you don't want to keep the old documents, you can just click on the second option. But keeping the old documents is not a bad idea. It's a very good idea and it's helpful. So my PDF merge, and you have your PDF merge here. So with this, you can realize that page 2 is somewhere, page 1 is somewhere in the second page. So what I can do is I can manually sort them. So by come to manual sort, kata is worrying me, but thanks be to God, we will overcome. So with this, you can manually sort them by just holding and clicking and repositioning it to where it's supposed to be. After that, you simply click PDF and it adds up everything for you. So this is your PDF where you can share to others. The other method of doing this is this: go to PDF tools, PDF merge, you open up where they are, and you add them in. So that is also a very feasible method, but opening them first is what gives you the privilege. So to extract them or to put them in different pages, this is what you do: you go to PDF, so my PDF merge is here, so I just click on it, and I have them here. So this is what you do if you want to generate a new document for only a few pages. So let's say page 1 and page 2. I just select the 2, then generate new document, and that is my new document that has only 2 pages, and I'll make it a PDF. Simple. You can change the PDF name and others. That is how you do it, and however way you want to extract your PDFs is the best way to do it. So to get this app, kindly check in the description below. There is a link there. You go and download the app, you extract it. When you extract the app, so let me simply show you how you can extract it. But for now, the normal app your app might not be able to do it, so you have to use PHS browser. That's what I use to extract my files on Android phone. Whichever app that you can use to extract, you can use it. But for now, PDF Phoenix browser is what I use personally. So when you go there, you go to files, more, archives, the name is Cam Scanner full version. So you can unzip it. After unzipping it, you first of all install the app itself. If you have the app itself, what you simply do is to install the full version. That's the second one over there, 1.8. And when you install that, you will have two logos on your among your apps. We have the cam scanner. We have the cam scanner full version with the key. The one with the key is what you can use to do these settings and others. So thank you very much for watching this video to the very end. I hope you found it useful, and kindly leave a thumbs up in the video, thumbs up on the video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Till then, it's bye bye.